Hello friends, it's Sheree from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me. I'm here with a little win of a journal that I won from a very sweet lady at from her channel giveaway. It's Ephemeraphiles by Tomi. If you haven't seen her, she has an awesome channel and she makes awesome journals and does other fun things on her channel, which I will link below. But I received it in the mail today and I can't wait to open it. I have not opened the package yet, but I did see her flip through, which was awesome and it was so cute. I couldn't believe I won either. So thankful, Tomi said, and this is going to be so cool, I know, because I saw it on your channel. But she sent it in a really neat box, and she has a drawing that says where she did some like hand lettering and pretty drawing, which I can't really show. So because I don't want to show the addresses, but she put on the box, she drew Happy Graham, and it looks like some pretty lettering. So really neat. Thank you for that, Tomi. That was so beautiful. So let's open it up here. She's got it was all packed like this in the box in this pretty tissue paper. And let's see, let me show you what it's like because it was so cool. If you haven't seen it on her channel, I will show it to you now. Very, very cool. It's a coffee, she called it a coffee cup journal. So cool, look at this. Let's see, yeah, this is the front. There's a piece of box there. I've been crafting, so I have different things around on my table here, but look at this, so cool. So she made it from an actual, it looks like an actual coffee cup, and you can see the cup shape. And here's pretty, here's the, little piece that goes over the coffee cup, and there's some coffee cup washi on here. And she's got a little embellishment here with a little coffee cup and the coffee beans. So cool. And down here is hanging on the little ties, little coffee cup. It's like a cup and saucer with a spoon. Let me show you. Can you see that? And a charm, and then some other pretty little flower charms here, and a really pretty little butterfly on the bottom, it looks like. That is so cute. And it says, let me see, handmade on it. Isn't that adorable? It's so tiny and cute right there. And then here out of this top of the coffee cup is some pretty lace. And there's some pretty laces here. So let's open it up and see. So I think you just slip this off. Yes, yes. I don't want to do anything wrong. I don't want to break anything, but there we go. Yeah, cool. Okay, so let's open it up. So this is the cover. And we've got a little side pocket here. So cool. This is so neat, Tomi. I just love it. Look at this. Coffee dyed paper, and it's some really cool pattern coffee dyed paper. And she's got is that a sticker? It feels, yeah, I think it's a sticker. So a little like journaling, mini little journal, or journaling spots here, or whatever. Could put pictures in here. Isn't that neat? I love it. That was right there. Okay, so let's just flip through here. Some pretty cardstock here that is got coffee cups on it. Oh, look at this beautiful doily. This is actually a real like vintage looking crocheted doily here. That's beautiful. Goodness. And a neat paper clip with a journaling card here. Pretty, that's pretty. She's got some paper to write, or looks like maybe two layers, but you can write on this side. There's a little coffee cup here, a little sticker, and coffee isn't a drink, it's a cup of sanity. I agree completely. I love my coffee, so this journal is perfect for me. I love this paper clip. I haven't ever had one like that, so these are neat. Love those. I think I've seen them online, but I've never actually had one in person, so that's cool. Let me put that back on there. And this was clipped on the other side of this pretty page. Another little coffee journaling spot here, or journaling card. Coffee all the time, and a little piece of fabric there with some, it looks like some coffee beans on there, so that is awesome. I love it. Thank you, Tommy. So cool. You did such a wonderful job on this. Then coffee dyed paper with a pretty sticker. And so are more of that pretty patterned coffee dyed paper. That is neat. I've never had any of that either. That is really cool. It looks really neat. Look at that. Really cool. Okay, and here's another awesome paper clip. I've never had any of these mini ones either. So awesome. I love, look how cute that is. That is awesome. Wow, and that is tiny. So cute. I love it. That's going to be my favorite paper clip now. So cool. And some little journaling cards made out of here's coffee cups on this side and pretty paper on here. Coffee, 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 please, please, please. Awesome. She's got some awesome little papers there, or whatever that she made those out of. A little tab up here with the coffee cups. So cool. Okay, so let me see let me see it here. This is kind of a ripped edge. Oh, is this fabric on here or what? Let me get a look at this here. This is this fabric on here? Or oh, this must be napkin. Okay. And it's kind of a ripped edge looking edge there, so that is really cool looking. It looked like fabric there at first. Looked like it was fabric. Love that paper clip. That is the coolest thing ever. Okay, belly band here. Cool little pretty belly band on some pretty paper here. A pretty coffee journaling spot. I love it. All those coffee cups. That's so neat. And it's got she's got some lace up here on the top of this. Let's see, where is that? It's in between the tab and the belly band, it looks like. Okay, next page, some more pretty napkin there on top of this scrapbook paper. And a little tuck spot here with a little card, journaling card, so cool. All the little coffee cups, love it, love it. Oops, get back in there. Okay, and an awesome bulldog clip here with a little ribbon on it, or a little fabric actually. Cool, that's a good idea. Put a little fabric on there. And this is like a doily, little flower doily tab here. As you can see, it sticks out. And then this is a little, let's see how this, okay, I got it. It opens up here like a little flap. And here we've got a fold out. Isn't that neat? Lots of writing room there. That's so cool. And so this was up here. Beautiful crochet here. So let's put that back where it was. So cool. I love that fabric on there. It's just amazing what a little piece of fabric can do, right? It does a lot. I love it. Some more pretty coffee dyed paper. This journal really has a lot in it. I remember the flip through and I was like amazed. It's so cool. So it looks like this was an index card. Got some washi. It looks like a coffee dyed index card. And then this says wake up over here. Really neat looking, like almost like a sign, or very kind of industrial almost. And I love it. That's really neat looking. And then let's see, we've got a pin here. A bow pin with a charm. That's neat. And is this open, or this is a paper clip maybe? Yeah, I think I feel a paper clip in there. So this is a paper clip, like a decorated or altered paper clip. And that's neat. See how it has a little division here where you just slip it over the page. So let's see if I can do it. Yeah, awesome. That is cool. I might have to figure out how to do that. Is that where it was? And it says good morning on there. That's cool. That's awesome. Beautiful coffee dyed pages again with some coffee cups. And another one of those pretty paper clips here with a card, journaling card. It's got some layers on here, some washi. Very cool, Tommy. I love it. Thank you so much. The best time to drink coffee is now. I agree completely. Little tag. Let's see, I need to take this off of here, see what's going on. Okay. So we've got this pretty, these pretty fabrics on here, like crochet lace and everything on the paper clip. And then, yeah, so it's the same thing on both sides, but that's a cute little tag, isn't it? That's awesome. So what did I let go here? Okay, so we had a tag over here, and I don't know if I can get it back on. Let me see. I think I can do it, though. I can do it. I can do it. I know it. There we go. There we go. That's awesome. Okay, coffee dye paper. Oh, cool. Look at this. Look at this. Tea, like a coffee pot or a teapot, little paper clip here. That is awesome. And journaling cards, so cool. Looks like it's coffee dyed. And some pretty papers on a music book page. That's an awesome paper clip. I have never seen that one either. Wow, that is so cool. Did I do it right? I think so. Okay, so let's go on a coffee run to someplace new. Yep, that's fine with me. A little sticker down here. Pretty, these look like, oh, these look like, what are they? What is it? Frappuccino? So we've got a little, okay, let me see. Paper clip with, oh, neat. That's a neat looking charm. I love that. It says love on it, but that's a really cute little charm. Let me show you. Isn't that cool? Okay, and then we've got some extra journaling room here that was held on by that paper clip, and we've got a little clip here that's holding on to a, okay, she's got it through the page. I remember seeing this. Yeah, it's like a button. It's a button, coffee button. It's a coffee cup button. And it's coming through the page here where she has a paper clip here with the little, like a little love banner or a little love banner or a little charm. And it was tucked right in there. So cool. And then this was over here on the side. And put it back the way it was, if I can. Okay, there we go. So cute. Love it, love it. Coffee beans in the middle of the signature, and you saw the charms on the strings when we first opened the journal. I showed you. Okay, it's cute. I love this. Makes me want to go get a frappuccino, a cold one. Okay, music books. So we're on the back. They're the second half. Let me see, there we go. Oh, isn't that a neat banner? Look at that. Got a little string here coming down from the banner with a little like sticker there on this string. One over here too. Baker's twine, good idea. That is a good idea. A pretty flower here on the music book page. And look at this banner. Coffee. Isn't that cool and pretty? Love it. That is so cool and so pretty. I hope it's coming through on the camera because it's really gorgeous. Okay, here we go. Cool. Another awesome paper clip here. This is actually a coffee cup. Can you see it there? A coffee cup paper clip, and this pretty crochet here with a pretty piece of paper. Journaling room on the back with this layering. Got some coffee paper here and some lined paper. That is awesome. So gorgeous. Oh, look at those coffee beans. I can smell the coffee. That makes me smell coffee. And here's, oh, okay, so that's another button here. And then on this side, pretty little kind of crocheted trims or something there. That looks really cool though. And a paper clip right here through the button with some pretty like coffee colored beads there. Really neat. A pretty lace heart over here on this page that looks like a pocket. It's got some laced or crochet trim there on the side, and then some coffee dyed paper. That's awesome. An extra piece of that because, yeah, I've never had any pattern like this. I think that's really beautiful. That's really neat. I love coffee dyed paper anyway, so you know, the pattern is even more beautiful. It is so cool. And a little pocket there. And, oh, cool. Okay, so this is from a coffee, some coffee it looks like. And it's a tuck spot, and there's a journal. Oh, look at this. Let me see. It's a little flip up, flip down. Oh, so cute. Look at that. Awesome. That's perfect. Use of a strip of, you know, cut off, right? To glue it on to something like that and use it as a little secret kind of flip up, flip down back there. Pretty paper. This is cardstock too. A lot of the paper in here is cardstock. And then so the back half of the doily, and here's another belly band. That's beautiful paper there. And then a journaling card. I love that. There's this pattern on the back here. That is pretty. So that goes in here. Awesome. And we're at the back, the little pocket here. Got some coffee cups and some pretty lace. And some more of that beautiful coffee dyed paper. I love it. Love this paper. This is so cool. Thank you, Tomi. Thank you for this whole beautiful journal. Goodness. I know she worked hard on this. I kind of watched. I pretty much, I watched. I don't know why I'm saying pretty much or kind of. I watched the whole series on her making these journals. I think she made 2 and gave away this one, if I remember right. So these are adorable. Look at this. It says Coffee and Friends. Coffee and Friends make perfect blend. That is beautiful. I love that. And then coffee makes everything possible. Yep. Gotta have it in the morning and then it all happens. Makes everything possible during the day. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope everybody enjoyed that. If you haven't watched Tomi's channel or watched Tomi on her channel, she's awesome and her channel is awesome. And so if you can go over and check her out, and if you haven't subbed to her, make sure you do, because you're going to want to be notified of what she's doing. So thank you so much again, Tomi. I'm so glad I won, and I really appreciate you having this giveaway. So I'll let everybody go, and I'll see you later. See you next time. So happy crafting.